Hey guys, how's it going? Jed Scott here, and thank you for tuning in for our little update intermission in between a video, because we are hard at work getting this Dana 60 all redone and redoodled and whatnot. In fact, we're just getting ready to install the seals, so when you see that video, you know exactly when I filmed this, which is Tuesday. And, well, ran into some issues. It's going to cause Jezebel not to make it to an event I wanted to take her to. I've been trying to get Jezebel, our 70 charge, if you don't know who she is. This old ratty pig outside that window. We're trying to get her ready to make it to Mocan Dragway for Mopars Invade Mocan. But we hit a big snag because of Memorial Day. Not saying anything bad about the holiday. Because of that holiday, she won't make it. And I only say this because, well, there's an issue with our pinion yoke. You look at it, look at it, look at it, boom. That's all pits. And a new one of these in the proper U-joint style is about 200 bucks from Mopar, because it's got to be 7290 U-joint for our drive shaft, or we could go to a conversion U-joint with a 1350 GM U-joint, but that's still 100 bucks. Regardless, whichever way we go, whether or not we repair this one with a sleeve or we get another yoke, it wouldn't be here until basically Thursday. And you can call me words, bad words, names and everything, but there's just something about having a fresh rear end and taking it immediately and beating the crap on it. Just like guys who have fresh engines and just literally mercifully beat the ever-living crap out of it. I'm not like that. I want to give this rear end at least 100 miles of break-in time before we go beating and thrashing on it. You know, same thing with an engine, same thing with the transmission. I just don't like beating on things. And whereas this is about the most powerful rear end you can get in a car, in the factory, I just don't want to go thrashing on it. You know, we put a lot of time and effort into rebuilding this thing, all the new bearings and everything. So, unfortunately, Jezebel will not be making it to Mocan, which was kind of my hopes and dreams, was be able to race her there, but I'm going to take my time, put this thing together right, and when she makes it to a drag strip, she makes it to a drag strip. It's simple as that. Plus, that gives us time to finish our roll cage and make the car completely safe. So again, I apologize. I just want to let you guys know what's going on, what we're in the middle of. It does kind of suck. And nothing against, you know, Jags and who we're getting our parts from. It's not their fault. It's not the holidays' fault. None of that stuff. It's just the way we got dealt the cards. It definitely explains these pits on this pinion yoke, why our pinion leaked as bad as it did. Can't seal up to that really good. I mean, those are some deep pits in this. I wish those things weren't as expensive as they are. But we're going to get that fixed. We'll get this baby put back together. We do have everything so far we've gotten from old Dr. Diff. We're not sponsored in any way. He made me pay full price for all this stuff. Everything's coming together real nice and smooth. Our new Timken bearings, everything went on pretty nice. Just check out this. Spins nice and easy. And all that fun stuff. We'll work on this video. But yeah, that's just kind of where we're at with the old Dana 60 rebuild. Jezebel's still sitting on the side of the garage. In fact, another thing that I'm not real comfortable about is her charging system ain't working. So she got some charging issues, and we got a brand new PowerMaster alternator on here that Rob got us from Jags, and that still didn't solve the issue. So I'm guessing our old style voltage regulator crapped out on us, and so we're going to convert it over to the solid state style of voltage regulator instead of the old style with the points in them, because we can't get the 50 amp voltage regulator no more. So we're going to convert it over to the new style, which notoriously melt over the firewall, but we're going to go ahead and do that. And eventually she's probably going to need yet another starter, because that engine produces so much heat, it's cooking the starter, I'm pretty sure. And it's got that fancy PowerMaster starter. Nothing wrong with Jags' parts. It's just the fact that the old PowerMaster stuff just can't handle the heat. So we're going to need to find some kind of heat blanket or some kind of starter that can resist hot engines that produce a shitload of heat. Hopefully we can do that. You guys got any recommendations for a good starter Let me know down in the comments below something that can handle the heat. You know, a regular Dakota Mini starter is what we started out with. That got cooked. And our current Power Master starter, I don't even know where the box is. It's getting cooked right here. We have this bad boy. Let's see, part number 9513, starter natural XS Mopar Hemi billet, black without nose cone. That's one of them adjustable clockable ones. And it's a great starter, but it can't handle the heat of them headers. At least I think that's the issue. I honestly hope what it is the battery voltage is so low that ain't letting the starter kick back. And hopefully once we get a good voltage regulator and everything, good electrical system cooking, starter will start working fine. Because as it is right now, if we run the car and you kill it, you got to go out there and beat on the starter, and then it will whirl over again. So hoping we can get that issue solved. I'm not an electrician. Electrical crap is not my forte. That's what Dad's here for. Even him, he's starting to get annoyed by it probably. But just wanted to give you guys a little update, something, you know, to watch, look forward to. I unfortunately don't have really any of the side projects that are worth filming. I'm definitely not gonna go freaking film washing my car for 20 minutes and give you guys stupid filler content like that. You guys know who I'm talking about. That's a guy I just unsubscribed from. I ain't got no time for that kind of crap. You either film good, worthy content, or you don't at all. I don't give a crap about that. Just like this update, at least it's got a point. It's letting you guys know what's going on. Unfortunately, won't see Jezebel at the drag strip, but Daniel's got his demon, that black demon from last year at Mocan. He's got that thing pretty well sorted out. Just hooked nitrous to it. He's gonna probably make about, what is it? I think he said 11 or 1200 horsepower with the nitrous. We're shooting for the 8s. So, I guess have that video to stay tuned for. But I think that's about all I got for you. I'm gonna get back to work on the video involving this. Get as much as this done as possible. And when this rear end's done, you guys ought to have a pretty damn good video and good understanding on how to build out your own rear end. Just because it's Dana 60 doesn't mean it can't be applied to other rear ends. You know, put your ring gear bolts on. That's pretty dead simple. Put your bearings on. That's also simple. Just because it's Dana 60 don't mean it can't work for your 8 3/4, 9-inch Ford, blah, 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 blah. But I'm going to get back at it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of 8 minutes of updates. And I'll see you guys in the real video here soon. Take care. Bye-bye.